If AI replaced politicians, would society become a digital utopia or a high-tech nightmare? Let's break it down. Imagine a world where politicians never sleep, never get tired, never accept a bribe. Sounds pretty good, right? AI doesn't care about family dynasties or backroom handshakes. Every decision could be rooted in data. Fairness, logic, not personal gain, no more long debates that go nowhere. AI could process mountains of information in seconds, making policies faster and hopefully smarter. Consistency would be the new normal. No wild policy swings just because someone woke up on the wrong side of the bed, and in a crisis, flood, fire, or economic crash, AI would be ready 24/7. But here's the thing. Politics isn't just about crunching numbers. It's about understanding people, history, culture, emotions, and tough moral choices. Can an algorithm really feel empathy for a struggling family? Or grasp why tradition matters? And let's not forget, AI learns from us. If the data it trains on is biased, the policies could be too. If our history is full of inequality, AI could copy those same patterns, just faster. There's also the big question: who's responsible when AI messes up? If an algorithm makes a harmful decision, who do you blame? The programmers? The government? Or the AI itself? That's a legal and ethical maze nobody's solved yet. Plus, whoever controls the AI holds the real power. If you think lobbyists are powerful now, imagine what happens if they get their hands on the source code. And what about democracy? If AI calls the shots, where does that leave elections and your voice? So, what's likely to happen? Most experts think it won't be all or nothing. AI probably won't replace politicians entirely. Instead, it'll become the ultimate advisor. A kind of super brain that helps leaders make better decisions, spot problems early, keep corruption in check. Humans would still provide the vision, values, and emotional leadership, while AI handles the heavy lifting and analysis and prediction. In the end, AI and power could make society fairer and more efficient. Or it could make us feel powerless and disconnected. It all depends on how we build it and who keeps it in check. So, would you trust an AI to run your country? Or is that one upgrade we're not ready for?